How to migrate your client data to TaxDome. The import tool allows you to transfer client records, including accounts and contacts, in bulk, saving you time and effort. From the Accounts page, click the Import button and upload your CSV file to begin the process. Keep in mind that not every field needs to be mapped. Focus on the account-specific ones in this step and ignore the rest for now. Your top priority is mapping the account name field before proceeding. If your spreadsheet includes a column for account type, you have two options. Map it to a CSV column if each account type is listed in the spreadsheet. Apply a single account type in bulk to all imported accounts. If the column names in your spreadsheet match the field names in TaxDome, they will be automatically mapped. Otherwise, you'll need to manually assign each column to its corresponding field. Click the Action menu and select Sync Custom Field. Choose which field in TaxDome should receive the corresponding data from your spreadsheet. If no suitable field exists, you can create a new one on the spot using the New Field option. For example, if you need a field to store specific dates, select the date type. If your spreadsheet includes tags, be sure to map the relevant column to the tags property. This ensures that all tags will be automatically created and applied to newly imported accounts. Similarly, if you've included a team members column, it will be automatically mapped and team members will be assigned to the corresponding accounts. Throughout the process, TaxDome performs background validation to ensure your spreadsheet data matches the expected field types, preventing errors in the next step. Before proceeding, you'll see 3 toggle options for each client being imported. Login toggle allows contacts to log into the client portal and access their information. Notify toggle enables email notifications for the contact. Email sync syncs past and future email conversations with the client. We recommend enabling all 3 toggles for seamless communication and access. You can also choose whether to invite all clients to the portal immediately by selecting the corresponding checkbox. While this is an option, it's often better to complete the setup first and invite them in bulk later, as long as the login toggle is enabled. At this stage, you have additional customization options. Assign tags to all imported clients, if not already included in your spreadsheet. Assign team members to all imported accounts, if not already specified in your spreadsheet. Apply a folder template to organize client files. After configuring these settings, proceed to the next step, contact mapping. Here, you'll follow the same mapping process as with accounts, but this time focusing on individual contacts rather than entire accounts. Finally, in the review step, you'll see a summary of your import settings. Review the details, confirm everything is correct, and proceed with the import. If there are any issues, TaxDome will notify you.